The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where I watch? Dancehall.
So, Uptown alone key the biggest party watch up on the road. Car park up. It is the JLP headquarters. A support parking. Is it? Yeah man, I'm gonna show you the venue, man. Belmont Road, you know. Every Friday. Place well packed. Be a vehicle on roadside, you see it. Yeah man. And a normal thing this. You hear that? Party. Sneakingly be a big top people and them chat about Corona. You see it, watch out. Be a top car me and pass, you see me? See it? Jangas. Don't know the thing said. You see me? Yeah man. Them say get up, people can't do it, watch it. You see me? Car park well full up, you know. You see me? Yeah man. Road well black.
Alright, viewers and subscribers, my name is Dancehall Skilla. I'm here again. Big up and respect to each and every one. And pardon if you hear any noise in the background of this video because you know everyone is around. It's what I said to you. Yeah, it's like a big party right around my yard and everything. You understand? So just pardon if you hear the noise. You understand? Now, viewers and subscribers, here's the thing now. You see me? I just present a video to you. You see me? And you know, I'm not going to say that the person is trying to point out something that is true, and I'm not going to say that the person is pointing out something that is not true. I'm not there. But however, I'm going to say it like this. You see, if everything the person said in the video, if it is true, or if what the person is pointing out in the video, if it is true, then in my point of view, I think this is something that shows something that is somewhat of a double standard. You see me? You see, because you see the same rules and laws that applies for persons who live in the ghetto, as what some people would call certain place, is the same rules and laws that should apply for persons who live uptown. So if people within the ghetto can't keep party, uptown people not supposed to keep party neither, right? Because each and every one within the country of Jamaica go through the same thing with the whole COVID-19 process, you understand? So that's my point of view. And some of the times too, viewers and subscribers, you have some persons who make and post some videos on social media and create problems too, you know. You see me, I said to you, I want to make sure I point out that, you know, because here's the thing now, you see me? If you look in the video, you see a place that look like where JLP members meet. You know, Jamaica Labour Party members look like that's how they meet, you see me? I can't confirm because it's not like me mix up in a politics certain ways, you see me? But here's the thing now, viewers and subscribers, you see me, I say, listen to the video, I may hear a loud noise in the background of the video. Now, you see, if the person they bring the phone closer to the place, I may see a large crowd and say it's a party, then would I more if believe. Say yes, it's a party directly. But however, I'm just go by some of the things that the person said in the video, in the viewers and subscribers. You understand? Yes, I am going by some of the things that the person said in the video. So listen to what I'm saying. You see, if the things that the person said in this video, if it is true, you see me? I think it is double standard, right? And you see, if the things that the person tried to point out in the video, you see, if those things are true, I also think that it is double standard, and that is if. You understand me? I have no proof if the things that the person in the video said, you see me? I have no proof if the things that the person said, if it is true or not. I cannot prove it. You understand? So let me know what you think about it, viewers and subscribers. Alright, let me know if you believe the things that the person said in the video, or if you do not believe the things that the person said in the background of the video. Alright? And with that, I'm going to move on to voice notes that are circulating on social media. Yeah, that's how I call it, you see me? Because I'm going to present to you pieces of audios that are circulating on social media that are said to be voice notes, you see me? And according to something that has been said on social media about these voice notes, it is said that these voice notes are when two persons were having a conversation and one person asks one person to do something to help out someone. You see me? I'm not going to explain that. I'm going to let you listen for yourself. You understand? Now, viewers and subscribers, I want to listen to some of the things that have been said in these audios and tell me if you agree or if you disagree with some of the things that have been said by these persons in these audios, all right? Now, some of the things that have been said in these pieces of audios might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised, all right? Now here are the pieces of audios. Take a listen and observe.
One, good night. You know, say me I call up and I think though, all the family members then come together and I say you forgive Gary a kidney because Tete have underlying sickness and so forth, so Tete can donate one and kidney. So they must say you're the best person to give Gary one of your kidney. So guys know me know.
Marsha, why you no come down and go do it for Gary? Eh? Why you no come down and go do it? Me fi say cousin as much as you fi say cousin. And further on, none of you no call me and talk to me about the situation. You hear where you say the family member then come together and plan and say me I best one. Who know say me I best one? Who a give me nothing? Who a help me? Which one of you help me? Which one of you know if me auntie or me no auntie? Well, let me tell you this. Don't text back my pussy clad phone and tell any one of them me say text me or diss them. The whole of them they are foreign and me no more there so. Uno have the opportunity can help him. Look how much I know. Why none of you can do surgery and help him? Why me? Why me? I me uno choose for sacrifice. Why me? Eh? Uno blood clot. Listen me. I don't text back my phone. As long as your blood clot live. And tell anyone I family member say if you no text me or this you know. As much as me love Gary, me nah do nothing because you no come to me and ask me. You no plan back at me. You will no plan and decide say me I best one. Why you no call and make we call a family meeting and you no ask me? I no ask me. I tell me. Say that you no plan for do no blood clot rank. You no don't call me phone because me and none of nothing. None of no business if me live or me dead.
Alright, viewers and subscribers, and if a person disagrees to give piece of his body to help someone, I cannot say anything because guess what? That's a person's health. You understand? So, in my point of view, I can disagree with some of the things that one of the persons said in those pieces of audios. Yeah, so me I said to you, it might sound selfish, it might sound weird, but that's his choice. I don't know what else to say, and I don't think me or anyone have the right to tell a person, hey, you have to give up that. No. So therefore, I cannot say I disagree with the person. You see me? And at the same time, I can't say I agree with the person because I don't know what I would do if I was in that situation. You see me? I said to you, I saw life going on. How things work out for one person might work out different for you. Anyways, you know, I'm going to move on from these pieces of audios and I'm going to move on to pieces of videos right about now. You see me? Now, I'm going to put together and present to you pieces of videos that are circulating on social media. And according to some things that have been said about these pieces of videos on social media, it is said that these pieces of videos shows what happened when a bride allegedly found out that the groom was allegedly having sex with the bridesmaid. You understand? Viewers and subscribers, I cannot prove if the things that have been said on social media about these pieces of videos, if it is true or not. I'm just telling you according to some things that have been said on social media about these pieces of videos. You understand me? But anyways, the quality of the videos, they are not so clear. But however, you know, I'm going to present these pieces of videos to you because they are being talked about on social media. I have no confirmed information when these videos have been recorded, nor where they have been recorded. Alright, so some of the scenes in these pieces of videos might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised. Alright, now here are the pieces of videos. Take a look, listen, and observe. Alright, viewers and subscribers, let's see if some of the things that have been said on social media about the pieces of videos that I just presented to you, and I think it is sad, like really sad. You see me I say? Yeah, the whole thing about the bride and the groom and the bridesmaids thing, you see me? You see, if what I just told you that had been said on social media about it, if it is true, it's sad. It's really sad, you know. There are some things that I would like to say, but some of the times I just keep it to myself because I'm not real. Some of the things that I think sometimes if I say it might look bad on me. So I just leave it right there. So I say to you, and that's the truth. But anyways, you know, here's the thing doing the viewers and subscribers. You see, sometimes when you see some videos on social media and you see some things happen in the video or videos, you see me, you have to be careful because sometimes social media give you misleading information. You see me, even with the audios. So that's one of the reasons why when I present videos or audios to you, my viewers and subscribers, I try to make sure that you understand that the things that I'm telling you is not true if I do not know if it is true exactly. You see me? But you see, once I know that something confirmed to be true by me, then me I'm gonna make you know say it is true. And some me Dancehall skilla stay. You understand? But anyways, you know, big up and respect to each and every one. And if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified as I post a video. So me I say to you, alright, so until the next time, my name is Dancehall skilla. Uno big up on yourself. You see it?
Hey my youth, you know where I watch? Dancehall skilla. Hear me now? Hey yo, skilla. You are watching Dancehall skilla. Entertainment.